Today we're going to talk about Flipgrid, which is a video response tool. This is a great way for students to record what they're doing in your class using short videos. The great thing is that it organizes all those videos in what I call folders or grids, and you just introduce a topic and send that out, and your students are able to respond using lots of different devices, Chromebooks, iPads, phones, whatever. So let's take a look. You guys might need to do sign up. I'm going to click on login because I already have an account. Let's click on login with Google and choose your name. All right, so here we go. You may have, your screen may look similar to mine. You probably have no grids below here. My button right here, the red button, says add a new grid. Yours might say start my grid, so look out for that. So let's name this. We're going to name this secondary science. You might put your class or class period, something like that. Let's do class period. Let's do first period. And public PLCs. This right here is the school email where your kids, our domain, you have to type @students.wfisd.net. That's nice to make sure that nobody else gets into your grid, but for today, let's just use public and PLCs. I wouldn't recommend this. This is only, you have to type in every one of your students' IDs, and that's probably not something you want to do. So anyway, let's do Flipgrid. I'm going to put my last name and then 7 because there might be, so that URL is available. So I'm going to click on next. And here's where you can add a password to your grid. So if you want your grid to be password protected so that other people can't get into it, other high schoolers can't get into it, you can do that. All right, so you might post that to Google Classroom if you wanted to at this time, or if you just want to practice, that'd be fine. I'm not going to post to Classroom right now. I'm going to click on All Set. All right, and notice that I don't have any topics. So let's just say I want my kids to start journaling. So I'm going to click on Add a New Topic. And this is going to be Project Journal Day 1. I have a few options here. I can make this 2 minutes, and I could give them a prompt. Please record your thoughts on the first day of our project. And create. So now I can again post this to Google Classroom. I might not want to do that. We might just use the grid code from the very beginning, and that students only need that one grid code, and that'd be like your class, and they'd have access to all of the topics. So don't post that. Don't post this right here. But I'm going to click on All Set. And let's look at a few different things. A lot of people want to moderate these posts so videos don't just come through without their approval. And that's going to be in Actions and in Edit Topic. And here you have a lot of different options. The first one that I want to talk about right there is that video moderation. But yes, you can have, right here in the topic statics field, you can have status. Obviously it needs to be active. Can students reply to one another? And then there's a ending date. You can look at all of those. Selfies and videos, yes, we're going to have both of those. Students can edit their videos, video title. I'm not going to read all these to y'all. Y'all can read these by yourself. But yeah, again, that was underneath the topic, and you click edit, and there is the moderation button. I'll go ahead and turn mine on. So now our topic is up to date. We're good to go. And let's take a look at what the students are going to see. I did that pretty fast. If you hover over the flip code, you can click on that and it'll take you to the student view. So now this is what the students are going to see. They're going to have a big plus button, and when their videos load up, they'll all be right here. I am going to make the first video and invite my students, give them some instructions, and invite them to reply back to their journal. So let's click on the plus button and see what the kids are going to see. This may take a second or two to load, and I am using my camera currently, so there we go. Alright, so record a video. You have 2 minutes. I'm just going to pretend that I was doing something in school today. Today was the first day of our lab. I'm eager to see how my plant grows, and it's obviously in the soil right now and nothing is going on, but we have added water, and I'll let you know about tomorrow. So pause that. You have a few things, a few basic video tools. There's the redo button, sticky notes. You can flip the camera to the other side of your Chromebook camera if you had 2 cameras. You can upload photos, and these are some other things. Filters, text, stickers, whiteboard, and drawing. So whiteboard would be really cool in science. So let's use the next button. Something in school today. Today was the first day of our lab. I'm eager to see how my plant grows. Alright, I approved that video. Let's take a selfie. Perfect, and I can add stickers and drawings and whiteboard at this time. But yes, display name, title, and link. You get all those options as well. You don't have to do anything here. But let's click on submit. And there you go. We've just added our introduction to the lab journal. All right, notice that there's nothing here, right? The video is not shown up yet in my student view. I need to go back to my teacher view, which is up here. And then let's refresh and see if I have a video that needs to be approved. Yes, I do. I'm not going to view that video, but we'll just go ahead and approve it or activate it, whatever you want to call this, and you're good to go. So yeah, let's take a look back at that grid, refresh. Yeah, there's the moderated post right there. That is about it for today. I may make a follow-up video, but this should be a really good introduction into Flipgrid. Y'all let us know.